Hanif?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Any doubt last session?
One second.
Any doubt? Okay. Today, extension, last class extension. Okay. After this class, I'll give you practical. Okay. Practical related. You just sit in lab. Okay. Now, extension. See, last class just we created account group. Correct? Okay. Vendor account group we created. So name called vendor account group. Okay. Name is vendor account group. Using after creation of this vendor account group, we tested in XK01. Okay, XK01. I created 2-3 vendors. I created 2-3 vendors. Using same account group, I can show it MK01 also, and one more FK01 also. I'll show it. Okay, what is the differences? Okay, yesterday I completed XK01. Now today I'm going to extend what is the use of. Okay, if it is MK01. What is the use of MK01? Write down. Vendor creation using purchasing. Okay, vendor creation using purchasing wise. Okay, vendor creation using purchasing organization or purchasing department. MK01 is a T code. Okay, MK01. Directly go to MK01. For that, no need to create any background. We already created account groups. Okay, go to MK01. Same procedure, but if you want to extend it, how I am explaining how to extend. Use SAP user 1. Go to MK01. Go to MK01. Sir, you know that purchasing organization, you know it. US, sorry. What is the name of the purchasing organization? Which name we created? Huh? USHB only, no? Okay. USHB, no, USHB. And account group also I created UI03, first one. Okay, UI03. Okay, enter. Okay, here I did not enter company code. See here I did not enter company code, meaning this vendor FI people cannot use. These people cannot use. In accounting wise, they cannot use this one. Okay. Do you remember last session? Recon account and cash management group I told you. Reconciliation account 31,000 I maintained. Cash management group A1 I entered. These two options it won't come here. Whenever you create using MK01. Let me show. Enter. Okay, enter. Okay, industries. Okay, country. I'm not entering all the data, just only mandatory data entered. Enter this data. Enter this data. Click on enter. Sure, control screen same as it is, general screen. Payment transaction same. Enter. After this, normally we used to enter a recon account and cash management. It won't show. Directly it will show the purchasing data screen. All I told you 3 segments. Anybody remember? General data, company code data, purchasing data. Company code data segment, it won't appear here. payment related transactions, okay, accounting related information. It won't show anything here. Directly it will go to purchasing. Two segments only it will show here. One is general segment, another one is purchasing. Okay, purchase. Here now purchasing. Okay, we have to maintain only currency related information. That's it. Now vendor will be generated here. Now partner profiles it will show vendor has been created. Okay, vendor has been created. This is another way. Another way. Okay. This vendor, this vendor, I cannot use in accounting. Then what I have to do if I am not using accounting, there is no use. We have to extend it. What is the vendor number? 13904. If you want to extend accounting department wise, you have to go to FK01. Okay, write down. After this step, write down this number also. Vendor number is created under purchasing department. To extend this vendor to purchase, to extend this vendor to accounting department, to extend this vendor to accounting department. Okay, accounting department. Okay, accounting. Go to 13904. Go to FK01. Go to FK01. 13904. Correct? This number. This is a number just now I created. Same number you have to enter here. Same number. Which company code? UI03 only. Once again, you have to enter company code. Record. Okay, vendor and company code. Vendor, company code, account group. To extend accounting wise, okay, we have to do this step. Continue. Continue. Enter vendor number, company code, accounting group. Then enter here. Directly displayed accounting information only. It not display address data, anything. Directly accounting information. Then I can extend to, okay, whatever data I want, I can extend it. Okay, click on save. Over now. Okay, click on save. Okay, now this vendor is created in purchasing wise and accounting wise. Before we created only purchasing department wise. Now I extended to accounting. Accounting. This vendor now, this vendor is central vendor. Okay, this vendor is central. This is the way to create the or to use the MK01 or FK01. Okay, FK01. Any doubt? Extension? Okay. Ask me if you have any doubt. First you have to create it, then you have to extend it. Okay, extend it. Next. How to hide the fields? How to hide the field? Same procedure. How to hide the fields? How to maintain required fields? How to maintain required fields? How to hide the fields? How to maintain required fields? How to make it optional? How to make it optional? Steps. go to SPRO. What is meaning of optional? What is meaning of required field? Here, let me give example. XK01, XK01. Now, search term field is there. Search term. I don't want. I have to hide the search term. This is search term 1. This is search term 2. 1 by 1 bar 2 means this is 1, this is 2. Or search term A, search term B. This 2 I have to hide it. Okay. And this is the first step. Second step, city I have to make it or okay, name I have to make it mandatory. Okay, write down examples. Okay, examples. Example 1. Example 1. Maintain name field is mandatory. Okay, example 1. Okay, first write down scenario. Scenario I am giving. Okay, don't go to SPRO. Directly just write down example 1. Example 1 I am giving. Go to XK01. Example 1 I am giving. Under XK01, these fields are there. Under XK01, under XK01, name field should be mandatory. First example, name field is mandatory. Name field is mandatory. This is first example. Second example, search term is a hide option, hide or suppress. Search term field is hide or suppress. Region, display mode, region, display mode. Third example, this is region, display and optional. First you maintain display and optional. Even hide also. First maintain the hide, then make it optional. Okay, make it optional. Okay, these 4 examples will work out one by one. Okay, one is mandatory, second one is hide, third one is display and optional. Okay, third one display. 4 examples we are working. This is our scenario. Okay, final output is this. Okay, third one is display and optional. Region field. Okay, region field. Go to SPRO steps to do this procedure. Okay, SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Logistic general. Okay, logistic general. Okay, logistic general. Business partner. Okay, business partner. Okay, business partner. Under that, vendors. Under that, here we have okay, control. Under that, we have control. Under control, here this is a define transaction dependent screen layout. Okay, click on define transaction dependent, define transaction dependent screen layout. Okay, screen layout. Okay, execute. Okay, execute. Click on execute. Which one we are working? Which one we are working? Central vendor. Central means you can see here all the transactions we have. One is create vendor accounting means FI related. Create vendor accounting wise FI related. Create vendor purchasing related. Create vendor we are working on XK01. XK01 means centrally vendor only. Okay, no need to touch accounting and purchasing. We have to go to central vendor only. Write down. Double click on create vendor centrally. Okay, double click on create vendor centrally. Okay, create vendor centrally. Okay, double click. Okay, double click. Yeah, which screen this is? You can sorry. What is the example? Which screen this is? Address screen. Where it is? Under which segment? General data segment. Okay, general data. Meaning here we have general data, company code data, purchasing data. Which one you have to select now? General data. Write down. Okay, that's why I had given segments, 3 segments: general data, purchasing. Okay, in basic class only. General data. Double click. Okay, general data. Double click. Okay, double click. Under general data, what are the concepts are there? Address is there, communication is there, control, payment, transaction, contact. Okay, this is in between. But which one we are working? Address. You have to observe that particular top node. You have to observe here. Okay, this is address. Okay, address screen. Double click on address. Double click on address. Okay, double click on address. Observe now. I told you name field. Here no need to remember field name, table name. In MM01, I told you remember, okay, find out the table name and field name there in MM01. Like we used to find out the Mara table, under that SPRT, division. Okay, so many fields we found. But in this one, no need to press F1. Directly you can see the field name only here. Name one is here on. Name one is here. This name one, name is means name. Name one is nothing but name. Okay, what I need name is mandatory field. Mandatory means which one you have to select? Required entry. First field is required entry. Understood? Write down. Name one is required entry. Name one is required entry. Select here. First step is over. Next. Search term. Search term A and B both are there. Search term, first search term I am suppressing. Suppress means hide. Suppress means hide. This is one. Down we have one more reason. Down we have one more. Page down, that is. Page down. Here. Search term B. That is also suppress. If you click page down even your keyboard, it will go down. Okay, page down. I hided two fields. Search term A, search term B. Next. 2 steps over. Now, third step. What is third step? Region, I told you. Region is a display mode. Region is display mode. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Over now. Okay, click on save. Okay, over now. Save it. Click on save. Now I have to test all three options. Tell me how to test XK01. Write down. Testing.
XK01.
Okay, XK01. Yeah. Go to refresh first screen. Okay, go to XK01. Go to XK01. Create vendor. Create vendor. enter company code, purchasing organization, account group. Excuse me. Account group. Continue. You can observe now here all the fields. Name field is mandatory as come. Name field is mandatory as come. Search term. Search term. Is there any search term here? Hide. Hided. Okay. Search term is not here. Next, region field. Display. Okay. It's clear now. All three. Okay. That's what I explained all three in one example only. Okay. Now I have to restore search term and I have to make it a optional region. Okay. Both I have to do optional. Right now. Next. To make it a region is optional. To make it region field is optional. Region and search term. Region and search term both. Okay. Region and search term. Okay. Region and search term. Same procedure. Backend you have to go do it same step. Up. Okay. Go to SPRO same as above steps. Okay, write down that one. Same as above steps. SPRO steps. SPRO same as above steps. Okay, no need to write all the path. Same as above steps. Okay. Click on general data. Okay, click on general data. Okay, up to central vendor is same. Okay, click on general data. Then address. Then address. Then click on address. I told you search term I made it as suppressed. I have to click here display. Then one more option. Region field I made it. Sorry. This is optional. This is optional. Okay, region field I entered a display. I have to enter optional and page down now. Suppressed optional. That's it. Okay. Just do it all optional and check once again. Only name one is mandatory because vendor number name is compulsory you have to enter. That's what I kept vendor number required only. Save it. Just save it. Okay, click on save. Next. Check the errors. Okay, check the testing. Check it. Okay, good. Testing. Go to XK01 once again. Okay, XK01. Okay, go to XK01. Enter. Check now here. Company code, purchasing organization, account group. Next. Search term is restored. It has come optional. Region field also optional. Okay, region also. It's clear this point. Any doubt? Any doubt? Hide option. Okay. For any screen, not only address screen, either purchasing screen, either payment screen, either control screen, any screen, same procedure. Okay, same procedure. Example. Okay, example. Okay, example. Now, if I want to make it, the customer is mandatory. How to do it? Tell me. Which screen this is? Control screen. Then where is this control screen? Under general data only. Check now. General data. Control. You can identify the field name. What is the field name? Customer. Check the customer. Is it okay? Then I can make it as correct. Like this, we can do it. Okay. Okay, any field. Because one field, one screen. If you are very good, then all the fields you can maintain. Okay, you can maintain. But here, one more field is mandatory. Now I'm going to explain that one. in last tab, purchasing tab, currency is an order currency. That field should be mandatory, but somebody okay not maintain here mandatory field. I'm explaining now. Okay, write down order currency mandatory in purchasing data. Only one field I will explain. This field. Order currency is mandatory in purchasing. First, see what is meaning of order currency. First screen, second screen, third screen, fourth screen, fifth screen. Fifth screen mandatory is there already. Sixth, seventh. Here it will come order. Here this is order currency, but here there is no tick mark here. A tick mark meaning you can enter. This is optional now, but this without this one, without order currency, you cannot create purchase order. Even if you create vendor, okay, while creating purchase order, you will get a error. Okay, order currency not maintained. Then you have to come back once again. You have to maintain. For that reason, order currency in real time also. Order currency is mandatory. Under where? Purchasing data. Write down this point. Order currency is mandatory. Yeah, order currency is mandatory. Order currency field is mandatory under purchasing data. Order currency is mandatory under purchasing data. Okay, order currency. Now I have to do it. How to do it? How to do order currency mandatory? Same steps. Same steps. Okay, right now. Go to central vendor. Create vendor centrally up to same as above steps. Okay, same as above steps. SPRO screen only. Okay, SPRO. Create vendor centrally. Double click. Go to purchasing data. Okay, go to purchasing data. Okay, double click. Under purchasing data, once again purchasing data, double click. Purchasing data. You can observe now purchase order currency. It is optional. In real time also it should be mandatory. Somebody okay separate actually make it optional. Here we have to select here. Okay. Required entry. Okay, required entry. Without this field, purchase order you cannot create. Okay, purchase order you cannot create. So this is mandatory. Save it. Understood this point? Over. Now let me check once again. Okay, this time without entry I will close it here. Now this vendor I did not maintain this one. Okay, whenever you use this vendor, okay, purchasing it won't allow. But once again I'll repeat the steps. Enter, enter. Country, enter, enter, enter. Enter. Here see tick mark has come. Now if I won't enter, it won't save first. Okay, this is mandatory. Then you should enter any currency according to the country. Save. See, this is partner functions. This is another example. Tomorrow example, I will give this full example. Tomorrow partner functions, I'll close it. Now save it. Now over. Continue. Okay, continue. This is 906. But 905, I did not maintain currency. How to maintain? 13905. I created vendor, but I did not maintain the currency. How to maintain? How to change? What is the T code for change? XK02. Okay, write down. Next, to change vendor information. Okay, these T codes are important. You have to remember T codes. Okay, to change the vendor information or purchase order currency, in bracket purchase order currency, go to XK02. Go to XK02 change vendor. Go to XK02 change vendor. You can observe now here change vendor. Which one you have to select here? Okay, purchasing data you have to select. Okay, purchasing data. Okay, select purchasing data. Okay, click on enter. Say order currency is maintained. Okay, order currency is not maintained here. Click on here INR. That's it. If you forgot to maintain order currency, you can do it like this. Okay, like this. Save it. Is it clear now? Any doubt? Any doubt? Change option. Any doubt? I'll repeat the same step. If I forgot to maintain USD, INR I maintained. Same procedure. XK02 purchasing data. If I want to change it USD, we can USD. Okay, any currency. It's not like only one currency. All 218 countries are there worldwide. All currencies you can maintain. Okay, either USD INR, because India we are working, that's why we'll maintain INR only. Save it. Save it. Okay, this is the way. Okay, in this screen only we have terms of payment is there, Inco terms is there. Okay, write down. Next, configuration of configuration of configuration of terms of payment and configuration of terms of payment and Inco terms. Okay, Inco terms. Inco means international terms and conditions. Inco terms. International terms and conditions. These two I am creating now. Okay, these two I am creating. Terms of payment and Inco terms. To create, what is meaning of terms of payment? Okay, example, let's say. Okay, in market means in general market, if you buy one laptop, okay, they won't give that much discount. Okay, like any payment transactions also they won't give. If I buy 1,000 laptops, you'll get some cash discounts, and even okay, payment also within 1 month you can pay, or within 45 days you can pay. Some terms and conditions they'll give. Like example, if these 1,000 laptops, if they pay, okay, if they pay within 30 days, within 30 days, 3% discount. Okay, if 1,000 laptop payment, if they pay within month, okay, that is 3% discount. If they pay after 40 days, means after 40 days, that is 2% discount. After 40 days, just example, I am giving my own example, but it may be 2% discount. After 45 days, no discount. How to make it? How to give? How to create this condition? This is we can call terms and payment conditions. Understood this point? In general industry, they will do this terms and payment conditions in any market. Okay, in iron market or okay, share market, anywhere. Okay, they'll do that particular type of discounts. To maintain these terms and payment, we are doing now steps. Understood? Write down this point first. Terms and payment example. Terms and payment. This is my example. Okay, sometimes they will give no discount, nothing, immediate pay. Okay, due net, whatever net is there, you have to pay. Okay, that is another condition. Okay, due net. Okay, no discounts. Okay, no discounts. To create this type of configuration, okay. To create this configuration, same procedure. Go to SPRO, write down steps. Okay, steps. This time it is not a logistic general. Go to material management. SPRO, IMG. See, your path is very important. Okay, maybe you may confuse either as logistic general or material management. Both path I am using. Okay, both path. Okay, that's why don't confuse. That's why whenever if I change the path, immediately I'm giving path sequence. Write down that path sequence. SPRO, IMG, material management, purchasing. Okay, purchasing. Okay, vendor master. Okay, vendor master. Under vendor master, define terms of payment. Under vendor master, define terms of payment. Okay, define terms of payment. Execute. Execute. You observe now here. See, this is one condition. Within 14 days, 2% gas discount. Within 30 days, 1.5. This is somebody created. Somebody within 45 days, total net. I can change it. This condition I can change it as per my requirement. Okay, meaning if you want to create new entries, you have to enter all the conditions. Okay, instead of that one, SAP has given one simple option. Sample data has gone. Okay, sample data. You can select if you want first immediate payment. If you want write down first example. Two examples I am giving. One is immediate payment. Another one discount. First example immediate payment. This you can do it. Okay. If you want to copy this immediate payment or payable immediately, do net. Okay, payable immediately, do net. Select. Okay, select copy. Okay, copy option. Okay, select copy as. Here I can change it. Okay, Usha India UI PT. Okay, I'll give here Usha payment terms and conditions. That's it. This is due net. Okay, due net. Enter. Okay, immediately it is copied here. Usha payment and terms. This is one condition. Save it. This is one condition. Okay, save it. Now second condition I need. Second condition. What is meaning of second condition? Page up. Otherwise just go back. Go back. Once again. I need this condition. Okay, I need this condition. Select here 002. Okay, select 002. Select 002. Check box this one. Copy. Rename. See here, if you want within 14 days, you can give 3%. Otherwise, if it is 30 days, you can give 30 days. If it is 40 days, you can change your conditions. Understood this point? Okay, if it is same condition, you change, you keep it. If you don't want your condition, if you want, you change your number of days and percentage. Even percentage also can change. Now I can maintain here Usha terms on payment. That's it. Understood? Rename it. Rename it. That is you I enter. Okay, I'll show once again. Double click. Right on. Enter the new name. Description enter. Just change the number of days. Change the number of days. This is we can call terms and condition. Click on. Save it. Click on save. Now conditions is over. How to test I'll show later. First one more condition is there. One more point. Incoterms. Okay, check Incoterms. International terms and conditions. Okay, international terms and conditions. Nothing but a transport charges or delivery charges. We can call freight charges. FREIGHT. Okay, we can call freight charges. Okay, freight charges. Write down. Check Incoterms. Check Incoterms. Click on execute. Okay, click on execute. New entries. Okay, new entries. New entries. US. I. Usha. Incoterms. Condition. Otherwise, Usha. FREIGHT. Freight charges. Freight charges. We can call transport charges. Transport. Location is mandatory. Okay, whenever you are using international transportation, okay, like New York, Germany, okay, in that particular countries, okay, location is mandatory. Okay, select the location is mandatory. Save it. Okay, check Incoterms. Save it. Check it. Okay. Now, how to test these terms and conditions and check Incoterms? I don't go to now testing. I am doing this testing. Go to XK02. Go to XK02. Any vendor, whatever vendor you created, existing vendor only can take it. Any vendor, your wish, whatever name you created, whatever number you created, any vendor. Here, which one you have to select? That vendor number and company code and purchasing organization. I don't. Enter the vendor number. company code and purchasing organization. Select purchasing data. Select purchasing data. Continue. Check here terms and payment. Terms of payment. We created already US IT USPT something. Check now. U series. Sir, USPT I created. USP2 also I created. USP1. Okay, I can maintain whatever the condition I want. Then Incoterms USI. Okay, that is okay, transport charges. Transport description. That's it. Okay, save it. Okay, we can use like this. These terms and condition. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Enter the terms and payment. Go to XK02 and then enter. Maintain here terms of payment field. Maintain terms of payment field. Better write down each and every point in your notes. Okay, why means after 1 month, okay, if you see your notes, only blank screen you will see. Otherwise, at least if you have note, then okay, what is happening there, then you will come to know. At least 1 or 2 times if you practice, it's good. That's what better write down each even single point also important here. Single point also. If you are okay technically okay, no problem, no need to write. Okay, after first time, second time. But okay, compulsory even for me itself. If I want to learn one new course like Ariba, like latest one, even I used to write. I used to maintain each and every note first. I'll follow my trainings will be is not like one-to-one trainings. This is like face-to-face trainings. This is like just only they will give okay how to create only. They even they won't give proper steps. Then we have to search Google. Then we have to follow that steps. They will give that only instruction. Okay, how to maintain this. That is cloud software. Ariba is a cloud software. Latest one is coming. Okay, in SAP related only Ariba, ARIB. So if those type of products, okay, if I want to learn it, each and everything I will maintain my notes first with a diagrammatic. Okay, which field I have to enter, where I have to enter, which field is linked with another field. Then only I can integrate it and I can enter it. Okay, otherwise if I don't have that fields, then somewhere I will get error. To solve that error, minimum 3 hours it will take. Okay, minimum 3 hours. For one error, 3 hours means okay, only learning itself it will take another 2 months. Okay, that's what means if you want to write it, means if you want to execute properly, okay, at least those particular fields, mandatory fields is mandatory in your notes. Okay, notes. Okay, enter. Okay, enter. So now it's created. Okay, it's created. Yeah, you can go to the XK01 also. XK01 if you go, you have to fill all the data, new data you have to enter. Even XK01 also can do it. Here, XK01 I'm using, okay, new name, okay, new company, enter. Even XK01 also can test, enter. Okay, XK01 means you have to fill all the information once again. That's it. Enter, enter, here, currency. I have to enter my name, okay, enter, same name. Finally, vendor is created. Understood? Even you can use XK01 or XK02. XK02 means just to change only. XK01 means you have to fill. Okay, you have to fill. Is it clear these points? Next, I think almost 7-8 vendors I created. How to check the report? Vendor report. MKVZ. Write down once again. Okay, MKVZ is the transaction code to check the vendor list. Okay, MKVZ. MKVZ is the report to check the vendor list. Okay, go to MKVZ. Enter the purchasing organization. Click on Okay, click on execute. Your purchasing organization name you have to enter. Click on execute. Share 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 vendors I up to now. Okay, all vendors are clear. Next, I told you how to change it. Like new come I entered, but company name is wrong. Read XK02, MK02, FK02. Any T code you can use. Okay, meaning I completed XK01. I explained XK02 changing, XK02 nothing. Why? Only display. Okay, only display. That is now XK04 is there. XK04. What is meaning of XK04? Display changes. Meaning, if you do any changes, like example, let's see this. Okay, let me change one. XK02. Okay, this vendor only I'm changing. New company is a new com is a. I'll change to new company. Okay, I changed. Then I'll enter some region, something region field also mandatory here. I'll enter region field, save it. Which data I changed? Name field, and I enter new record to check which user is changed. Sorry. Okay, which data is changed? XK04. Write down. Next step. XK04 is a transaction code. Okay, XK04. Enter. When account changes, execute. Okay, go to XK04. Enter the whatever number you change, that number name, vendor number you can enter. Go to XK04. XK04 means vendor account changes. XK04 means or change vendor. Changes vendor. Enter the vendor number and enter. Enter. Here, click here all changes. Click here all changes. Click here all changes. Check now. New record. Sorry, new name. Old name. Old name was new com. I enter. I change to new company. Correct? Then old name is not there. I entered new name. This is only changed information. Okay, changed information. Understood this point? Display in material master data also I told you same step MM04. Same. Okay, MM0. Next. I don't want this vendor. I have to block it. MM0, sorry, XK05. Block the vendor. Okay, this is very important question. Pakka question. Okay, two ways we can block the vendor. This is first way. Write down. Next, another question. How to block the vendor? Okay, if this vendor is like fraud vendor or something like okay, this vendor is not good, this vendor is not supplying properly materials, then I have to block it. To block that one, XK05. Okay, XK05. Enter. Enter. This is for block or unblock both. Blocking, unblocking both. First I'll show the block, then I'll remove the unblock. I'll remove the block. Go to XK05. Enter. Share. If you select this check boxes, if you select these check boxes, that's we can call save it. Control S. That we can call block the vendor. If you deselect it, share once again save it. It is updated. Now blocked. But after 3 months, then he will come, sir. We will do that. Okay, we will send okay proper material. Then if they give any proper bonds and then proper okay purchasing related activities, then we will remove that. Okay, blocking. We'll remove. Okay, after that. Okay, once again according to the terms and conditions, if we supply, then we can unblock the vendor. Okay, unblock the vendor. Just same procedure. Just save it. Okay, if you block it for this vendor, you cannot purchase in future. Okay, if you select this is we can call block the vendor. Any doubt? Next. Okay, final T code XK06. You know that one deletion flag. Okay, deletion. If you don't want this vendor itself, okay, we can do it a deletion flag. XK06 deletion flag for vendor. XK06. Enter vendor and company code and purchasing organization. Okay, continue. 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 You have to select all these deletion flags. You have to select all deletion flags. Okay, update. All checkboxes you have to do it. Okay. Okay, this is about the all this. Enter. If you want to unblock it, undelete, same procedure. You just remove the deletion flag. Remove the deletion. But if it is permanently deleted, you cannot do it. If it is only blocks, only checkboxes, you can restore it once again. Save it. Okay, save it. Okay, this all. And one more scenario is there under vendor. That is only partner profiles. Very, very important concept and real-time procedure concept. Tomorrow concept I will give partner profiles. Tomorrow I'll complete it and vendor master data. It will be completed. Then source list will start. Okay, tomorrow basic theoretical part. Okay, half an hour is enough for to create the partner profile. Next half an hour list I will explain. Okay, source list. Okay. Any doubt? Source list means a combination and a material. Combination of vendor and material we can call source list. How to create source? Okay, this all I will give later. Check if you have any doubt. Sit in lab. Okay, if somebody if you already practiced, okay, no need to wait here and you can practice your own. If somebody is having any errors, they can sit in lab. Okay, ask me. I'll be free only now. Okay, I'll be free only. Ask me. Sir, if it's not getting, then I will solve those errors. Okay, in front of you only. Okay, I'll solve it. Okay, sit in lab now. Okay, మీరు ముగ్గురు కూర్చోండి. Okay, three members you can sit if you don't have laptop. Okay, if your individual laptop is there, you just practice it. At home also you can practice, but doubts is there, you can stay here. I'll solve those doubts. Okay. Yeah. Hanif, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Yeah. Okay. I'll stop it now. Okay. I'll stop it now.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
We'll continue tomorrow. Same vendor master data. Okay. Yeah. See you.
Okay.